Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn how to make field mandatory in the MIGO transaction, that is goods movement transaction in the SAP S/4HANA. Okay. Many organizations requires users to enter specific information before posting a goods receipt. For example, let's we go into the MIGO transaction. Suppose we have the field header text. Now it is an optional field. Now we have to make it as a mandatory. So how we can achieve this? For this purpose, we need to go into the SPRO transaction, SAP reference implementation guide. Then we have to go into the materials management node, then uh, inventory management and physical inventory. Then we have to go here in settings for goods movement MIGO, then field selection for MIGO. Okay, and here we have to find out our field, that which field we wanted to make it as a mandatory field. Here we have considered the example of document header text. Now it is only input field. Now we are making it as a required field. Let's do the changes and save the changes. Okay, changes are saved. Now you can go into the MIGO transaction. Okay, put your select the goods receipt against the purchase order and put your purchase order number. For example, 450055. And suppose I mark uh, right now, suppose I mark as a atom. Okay, now I'm checking. Suppose I have not filled any data in the header text, so that the system will give error as a enter document header text, so that your field will be become mandatory in the MIGO transaction. Thank you.